Hey guys, James with TFBTV. Welcome to SHOT Show 2022 Industry Day at the Range. I'm over here with my boys. You know I love them. Aero Precision. They're all right, even though they're from the Pacific Northwest. You guys have, well, you really have two new things that you're showing at SHOT Show, but just today, Industry Day on the Range, you've got a new product. You guys are branching out substantially, I would say. I mean, this is a whole new line for you. Everybody knows what it is. They can see it in your hands, Kirk.
Yep.
Tell us about it.
So this is our Lahar 30 suppressor. It's a fully welded 30 caliber suppressor, a hybrid construction. It has interchangeable end caps. The back is going to be available in direct thread, and we're going to launch with a QD. So the threads in the end there are going to be 1 3/8 by 24. So if you have
standard,
yeah, you have something you like, you can plug it in there.
Which means I can put whatever muzzle device I want, so long as it's compatible. I mean, that's like, you're talking about a lot of different manufacturers, including Dead Air, like making.
Right. Make adapters for it. Going to be no minimum barrel length requirement, rated up to 300 Win Mag, full auto rated. Yeah, that's kind of that's a Lahar 30.
Right, so it's going to come like from the factory as a direct thread, right?
It's going to be optional. So
okay,
yeah.
All right.
Something else I forgot to mention, we're going to have it in 3 lengths as well.
Okay.
So we have our standard here, we're going to have a K can and then an L, which is going to be 2 baffles longer.
Kirk, I actually did a really crappy job of asking that question. What I meant is, like, are you guys going to start making like your own muzzle devices to use as like QD muzzle devices, or from the factory is my only option to have this end cap with a direct thread? That was the question I meant to ask.
Yes, yeah. So we're going to have our own QD for the can and the muzzle devices to go with it. So
okay, and is it is it compatible with any other QD devices, or is it like your proprietary one for your end cap, but if somebody else wants to do something else, they can do that?
Yeah, so if you get our QD, it's going to be proprietary to our muzzle devices, but again, those threads in the end there allow you to pull it off, put an adapter in for whatever QD you like.
And you guys are a successful, popular AR-15 manufacturer. I imagine it's not going to be a problem to, like, say, equip like a new AR-15 that you manufacture with your QD muzzle devices. So if somebody decides they want to buy your suppressor, they can just run with it.
Yeah, it's easy. It's just, thread on. So
now this one this is uncoated.
Yes.
Like we've got, like, it looks like we've got baffles welded on to like you got your blast chamber right there, right? That's the word I was looking for, Kirk.
Yeah.
How is it going to come like that uncoated, or do we just have this for demonstrative purposes?
We just have this for a range day here. We're going to have high temp Cerakote on these when we ship them. So
what colors are we talking?
Right now it's just going to be black. We're looking at other options, FDE, OD green.
Yeah, I was going to say, we're talking about Aero Precision.
Yeah.
If it doesn't come in FDE, I'll eat my hat.
Yeah. So black for sure. Maybe on the other ones, we want to appease all the color crowds.
Oh, sure, yeah. And we have them, right, in the industry. So again, you talked about 2-3 different configurations, like a long, medium, short. Is that what you said?
Yep, 3.
And what's the price difference going to be between those?
Undecided at this time. So
okay, all right.
It's going to depend on material cost and all
TBD. You understand, if you don't give me a price, you at least got to ballpark it, because otherwise I get fired. So.
Okay, we're looking to be comparable with a lot of the other 30 cal fully welded cans on the market, so you can kind of use your imagination there.
You son of a bitch. And that's the best non-answer I've heard today. When's it going to be available?
2020, we'll announce a launch date at some point as we get closer to that. We're just not sure at this time. A couple more things have to fall into place before we can commit to it.
Kirk, I promise, last question, when's it coming out?
2022. We don't have a hard launch date as far as day and month yet. A couple more things have to fall in place, and then we'll commit to a hard launch date, but definitely this year.
Very exciting stuff from Aero Precision. I always enjoy having you guys on the program. Thanks for being on. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more SHOT Show 2022. Take care. All right.